It's coke white on my kicks, I ain't worried about shit, I'ma stack my chips, Why you niggas speaking to the bitch? Niggas out here really bold, I ain't stressing off shit, I'ma stack my chips, I ain't stressing, I ain't worried about shit, Backed up, why you all on tip? If it ain't about money, I ain't worried about.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Greg here, back again with another video. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we're gonna be doing quarantine snacks or just exotic snacks. I'm here with my main man, Bubba. Sir. Yes, sir. So in today's video, we're just gonna be looking for different like exotic snacks, drinks, stuff like that, because me and my Bubba love snacking. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, we in the car right now. Our first stop is gonna be AMPM. Let's go.
Sé que soy delincuente y heriré siempre en mi casa. Tantos cabrones que me odian y que siempre me amenazan.
Just got out of the store. How do you open shit? Spent the first bag here. And pen. Where's your bag up there? Cause I wanna chase this bag. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Guys, my playlist be so different. I could be listening to music like this. And then it goes to music like this. Like some Ozuna. Or some shit like this.
Big money ballin', little sheep being shot callin', good point.
With his Edgar haircut. Puro tocando. What's up, guys? We're back at the house. We have all of our snacks right here, and we're just gonna dig in. Alright, you could go first.
Twix.
That's it. Show them what it is.
Twix cookies and cream.
Sheesh. Boom.
One eternity later.
There you go. Alright. This one. You love what it is? Huh? Cheers. Kind of tastes like Oreos. Alright, so Bubba's gonna be having the Sarsi root beer. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Sarsi. And then I'm gonna have the Royal True Orange.
I don't give a fuck.
Fake Fanta.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So I'm about to try my fake Fanta Royal.
Woo! Wanna try this one?
No, coronavirus. Little germs.
My bad.
It just tastes like a watered down Fanta. I wanna go. Let's try the Kit Kat mint and dark chocolate. The two worst flavors. Like brushing your teeth and eating dark chocolate, the worst chocolate.
It's not that bad.
It's the best color combo. Dark brown and teal.
That's strong. Room's gonna smell like
Yeah.
mint.
Where's what it smell like? Root beer, mint, dark chocolate. And I hate all three of those things. I would never.
It's not bad.
I would never get this.
It's not bad now that I think about it, but probably the option. Yeah. These are guacamole chips. Original.
You usually need chips and guac. This is just a 2-in-1 combo.
Easy.
Los Doritos Nacho preparados.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
I don't know what chips are guac.
Still good.
It's just a tortilla chip.
Still good.
I'm not even supposed to be having chips. I'm doing a 45-day no chip, no candy, no ice cream, and like limited carbs, but I already broke that today, so here we are. Those are okay. I'm gonna try these cuttlefish, hot and spicy cuttlefish crackers. I selected these ones. They just look bomb. They just look yummy.
It's weird for it.
These are silk airtight. Smells like fish.
Oh, yeah, it does. Like dog food.
Giant. Wait, these are dog treats.
Reaction?
No, I'm just kidding. Not bad. Not bad.
You know it's gonna be good when it's made by Dragonfly.
Shout out to Dragonfly.
What does the top say?
Dragonfly. I want to try these. These are pretty interesting. Haichu fizzies. These aren't by Dragonfly, so they're probably gonna be a little whack. Alright.
Right?
Smells orangey. I thought they'd be soft. What did I say, chewy?
I brace it. This actually tastes like bubblegum.
This it does. Your no, it tastes like the orange toothpaste they give you at
Dinner.
with the dinner.
I love
Trying the Haichu Cola.
Orange.
Real Cola.
Am I messing?
Real Cola. It does taste like root beer. You like it?
It's better than the soda one.
Ever need all of them?
Gotta go eat fruity.
Eat food.
Okay, do we have provisions? Oh my gosh, you tried. Do like 2 hours later.
Get that done. Look,
You're actually good.
better than my dragonfly. So we have some gummy worms. We have some pizza,
Just eat all of
my
it.
favorite food.
We have red licorice.
We have
Dope.
popcorn,
Ice cream.
and we have
Back.
a hot dog.
You're
So,
gonna get that.
we're gonna eat all these.
Mine as well. Would you like a licorice?
Oh my god,
Would you like a red licorice?
the freaking patty looks like a tongue or
I
something.
got a full one. Juiced. Huh?
But I need
Why
to
the
eat hot
bun
dog.
look like that?
Very gummy.
Hey, all of this.
Our last but not least, let's see what I was most excited for. Our Skittles dips, creamy yogurt. They're pretty bomb. These are pretty fucking smack. These are bomb. A+.
It's the best one.
Alright guys, thank you for watching my quarantine snacks video with my boy Bubba. Here's his Instagram right here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel.